Okay, so ayan, solving quadratic equations. Okay, start na natin yung review nyo. Kasama to sa pointers nyo, di ba? Solving quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Okay, ito yung quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, yun yung quadratic formula. Squared pala yun. Ayan. So, ayan, x is equal to negative v plus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Kaya madali lang gamitin ang quadratic formula. Ayan. Una natin gagawin, ayan. So, number 1, x squared is equal to, ayan, x squared is equal to 49. Ito, so solve natin tong number 1, x squared is equal to 49. Ano yung kailangan natin? Kailangan natin munang iayos yan in ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Di ba yan yung kailangan natin? So, iayos muna natin siya. Dito, ito yung kailangan. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Dapat ganyan yung itsura niya. Okay, so para maging ganyan yung itsura ng equation natin sa number 1, ililipat ko yung 14 sa kabila. So magiging x squared minus 49 is equal to 0. Ayan. Is equal to 0. Ayan, naayos na natin. Ito na yung ax, bx plus c. Wala nga lang yung bx natin. Ang meron lang dito ay yung ax, tapos yung c. And applying the formula, okay, we all know na ang a natin is equal to, anong nakalagay dyan? Ang a natin is equal to 1. Ang b natin, wala tayong b, di ba? So, it is 0. Ang c natin is equal to negative 49. Yun yung c natin. Negative 49. Yan. So, ang gagawin lang natin, isa-substitute natin yung value of a, b, and c dito sa ating quadratic equation. So, substituting the values, we're going to have, saan na yung black? Yung black yung gagamitin ko. Negative, ano yung b natin? 0 plus square root of 0 b 0 minus 4 times 1 times negative 49. Yan. Over 2 times, yung a natin is 1. Iyan na natin, simplify. So, negative 0 is 0. Ayan. Plus, positive, negative pala. May nakalimutan ako. Positive, negative pala yung nakalagay dyan. Positive, negative. May positive, negative, square root of 0 squared is 0. Okay? 0 squared is 0. Negative 4 times 1, negative 4. Tama? Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Ayun, negative 4 times, ito times natin dun sa isang number na andyan. Negative 4 times negative 49. Okay? O, anong lalabas? 4 times 49 is equal to 196. Ito times negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 49 is positive 196 ang lalabas. Positive 196 over 2 times 1 is 2. Ayan, na-simplify na natin. Okay, 0, o wala na yan, 0. Ang meron na lang tayo ay positive, negative, square root of 196 over 2. Ayan, square root of 196. Now, what is the square root of 196? Wait lang. Ano ba yung square root? Ayan na, sino ba yung ano ko dito? Scientific calculator. Hanapin ko lang sa scientific calculator. Square root of 196. Square root of 196 is 14. Ayan, nakuha ko na. Square root of square root of 196 is 14. Ayan. So, nakuha na natin. Yung square root of 96 is 14 over 2. Ayan. Positive, negative yan ha. Positive, negative. Ito. Okay. Ito yung nakuha natin. The square root of 196 is positive, negative 14 over 2. So, yung x natin will be positive 14 over 2. Tapos, yung isa is x is equal to negative 14 over 2. Yung unang x natin will be positive 7. Yung pangalawang x natin will be negative 7. Yan, na-solve na natin yung quadratic equation natin using yan, using quadratic formula. Next naman, example number 2. I-solve natin yung example number 2. Solve using quadratic formula. Solve using quadratic formula. Number 2. Number 2. Okay, ganun din. Iayos natin siya. Nililipat ko yung 4x doon, so magiging x squared negative 4x is equal to 0. Okay, ang a natin ulit is 1. Ang b naman natin ngayon ay negative 14. Ang c natin is equal to, wala tayong c, so 0. 0 yung c natin. Yan lang. Okay, so substitute na natin yung sa quadratic equation yung mga values. So, we're going to have negative, yung b natin is negative 4, tama? Ayan, negative 4. Okay. Positive, negative. And positive, negative yan. Positive, negative, square root of b squared. Ang b natin is negative 4. E squared natin yun. Minus 4 times ang A natin is 1, ang C natin is 0. Ayan. Over 2 times A, which is 1. Ayan, isi-simplify na lang natin. So, negative times negative 4, it will become positive 4. Okay? Positive 4 times negative 4, positive 4. And then, positive negative is square root of negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4 will be positive 4. Diba ito? Negative 4 times negative 4 will be positive 4. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times 0 will be 0. Okay, wala na. So, hindi ko na isusulat yung 0. Wait lang, mali pala ako dito. Saglit 16 pala yun, mali ako. Negative 4, negative 4 times negative 4 will be positive 16. Dito, negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 times 0. 0 na, so hindi ko na susulat. Yung baba na lang. 2 times 1 is 2. Ayan. So, ang x natin will be 4, positive, negative, square root of 16 is 4 over 2. Ayan. So, yung x natin is x is equal to positive 4 plus 4 is equal to 2. Yung isang x natin is equal to positive 4 minus 4 over 2. So, x is equal to 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Yan, nakuha na natin yung isa. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Yung isa naman, 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. Yan na, nasolve na natin yung quadratic equation. Ay, nasolve na natin using quadratic equation. Nakuha natin yung value ng roots natin. Punta na tayo dito sa example number 3 and 4. As usual, kailangan nating i-arrange tong equation natin. So, we'll get, ano yung makukuha natin sa equation natin? Makukuha natin is x squared. Ililipat ko to. Will be negative 4x. Ililipat ko din to isang to. Magiging negative 12. Anong naiwan sa kabila? 0. Nilipat natin yung dalawa. Okay, ayan. So, ang value ng a natin is 1. Ang value ng b is negative 4. Ang value ng c is negative 12. Ayan, ready na tayo to substitute the equation. Okay, so substitute na natin yung mga values ng a, b, and c sa quadratic formula. Ayan. So, x is equal to negative, ano yung b? Ang b natin is negative 4. Ayan. Positive, negative, square root of b. Ang b natin is negative 4. Negative 4 squared minus 4 times, ang a natin is 1. Ang a natin is 1. Tapos, yung c natin is negative 12. Yan, yung c natin is negative 12. Isi-simplify na natin, okay? Simplify. Meron pa pala over 2 times yung A natin is 1. Yung A natin is 1. And simplify. Isi-simplify na natin. So, negative times negative 4, that will be positive 4. Yan. Tapos, positive, negative, square root of negative 4 squared, negative 4 times negative 4, positive 16. Okay, positive 16. Next, negative 4 times 1, negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 12, positive 48. And positive 48. Yan. Over 2 times 1 is 2. Yan. Simplify pa rin natin. 4 positive negative. 16 plus 48 is equal to 64. Square root over 2. Ayan. So, simplify pa rin natin. Okay. 4 positive negative. Square root of 64 is 8 over 2. Ayan, nahanap na natin. So, ang magiging x natin will be 4 plus 8 over 2. 4 plus 8 over 2. Ayan, 4 plus 8 over 2. 4 plus 8 is 12 over 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Ayan, yung isang root natin is equal to 6. Yung pangalawang root naman, yung x is equal to 4 minus 8 naman tayo. 4 minus 8 over 2. Okay? Yan. 4 minus 8 will be negative 4. Yan. Magkaiba sila ng sign. Positive yung 4, negative yung 8. Masusunod yung sign ng 8. Yan, over 2. Negative 4 divided by 2, x is equal to negative 2. Ayan. Yan na yung root natin. Next, number 4. Gamitin natin ulit yung quadratic formula. I-arrange muna natin. Okay. Pag in-arrange natin to magiging 3x squared. Ililipat natin to magiging positive 8x. Ilalapit natin yung 5, magiging positive 5 is equal to 0. Okay? So, yung A natin is 3. Ang B natin is equal to 8. Ang C is equal to 5. Substitute na natin. Is equal to negative. Ang B natin is 8. Ayan. Positive, negative, square root of 8. Ayan, 8. 8 squared minus 4. Ang A natin is 3. Ang C natin is 5 over 2 times 3. Yung A natin is 3. Okay, simplify. Negative 8 ay negative times 8, negative 8. And negative 8. Positive, negative. Yan. Square root of, ay, 8 squared. 8 squared is equal to 64. 64. 64, okay? So, negative times negative 4 times 3 naman. Negative 4 times 3 is equal to negative 12. Negative 12 times 5, negative 60. Negative 60 over 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Ayan. Next, simplify pa rin natin. Okay, negative 8, positive, negative, square root of 64 minus 60 is 4 over 2. Ayan. Okay, negative 8, positive, negative, square root of 4 is 2. Ayan, over 2. Okay, solving for the value of x. X is equal to negative 8 plus 2. Okay, yung isa, x is equal to negative 8 minus 2 over 2 over 2. May over 2 pa yan. Okay, negative 8 plus 2 is equal to negative 6 over 2. Yung isa naman, negative 2 minus 2, negative 10. Pagkaparehas sila ng sign, kaya i-add natin. Ito, magkaiba ng sign, sinubtract natin. Okay, over 2. Okay, solving for the x. X is equal to negative 2 divided by 2, negative 3. X is equal to negative 3. Okay, so negative 2 ay negative 10 divided by 2, that is negative 5. And dalawang x natin, x is equal to negative 5 and x is equal to negative 3. Okay, last two example. Ayan. Using quadratic formula ulit. Ayan, may negative dito. Positive, negative dapat. Ayan. Ayan. Nakaayos na siya. Kung mapapansin nyo, nakaayos na siya. Andiyan na yung A, dito B, and C is equal to 0. Ang A natin is equal to positive 2. Ang B natin is negative 4. Ang C natin is negative 30. Isa-substitute na lang natin dito sa given formula. Okay, so we have negative B times negative B times negative 4. So, negative times negative 4. Then, positive, negative square root of B squared. Ano yung B? Negative 4. Negative 4 squared minus 4 times, yung A natin is 2 times, yung C natin is negative 30 over 2 times, yung A natin is 2. So, simplify na natin. So, unahin natin itong negative times negative 4, positive 4. Positive, negative, square root of negative 4 times negative 4 or negative 4 squared is positive 16. And negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 times 30, positive, negative 8 times positive, and negative 8 times negative 30, positive 240 over 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 2 is 4. Simplify. 4 positive, negative, square root of 216 plus 240 is equal to positive 256 over 4. Ayan. Okay, kunin na natin yung square root niyan. Square root of positive 256 is equal to, ilan yung square root niyan? 16 yata, if I'm not mistaken. 16. Square root of 256 is 16. Yan, tama. Square root of 256 is 16 over 4. Yan, solve na natin yung x natin. X is equal to positive 4 plus 16 over 4. Yung isa naman, x is equal to 4 minus 16 over 4. Okay, solve. Negative, 4 plus 16 is 20. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Ayan. So, x is equal to 5. Yung isa naman, positive 4, and then negative 16, or 4 minus 16 is equal to negative 12 over 4. So, ang x natin will be negative 12 divided by 4, negative 3. And ang x natin is negative 3 and then positive 5. Okay, number 6. I-arrange pa natin siya. So, 2x squared, I'm going to transpose this negative 5, positive 5x, magiging negative 5x. Positive 7, magiging negative 7 equal to 0. Ang a natin is 2, ang b is negative 5, ang c is negative 7. And using the quadratic formula, sa number 6 example natin, substitute lang natin ulit. Paulit-ulit na ginagawa to kapag ginagamit natin yung quadratic formula. Substitute nyo lang. Okay? Substitute na natin is equal to negative b, negative, di ba? Negative. Tapos yung b natin is negative 5. May negative dito. Okay. Positive, negative, square root of, ang b natin is negative 5. Negative 5 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 7. Diba? Yun, ang a natin is 2, ang c natin is negative 7 over 2 times 2. Okay, simplify. Negative times negative 5, that will be positive 5. Okay, positive negative square root. Negative 5 squared, negative 5 times negative 5, positive 25. Okay, negative 4 times 2, negative 8. Negative 8, negative 8 times negative 7, positive 56. Positive 56 over 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, simplify pa rin natin. 5, positive, negative. 25 plus 56 is equal to 80, 81 over 4. Ayan. So, we'll get 5, positive, negative. Square root of 81 is 9. 9 over 4. And solving the root. Okay, so 5 plus 9 over 4. Yung isa naman, 5 minus 9 over 4. Okay, 5 plus 9 is 14 over 4. Yan. Yan. 14 over 4. Try nating i-divide. Okay? 14 divided by 4, 3.5. Exact na 3.5 yung lumabas. Pwede nyong sabihin na pwede nyong isulat na answer nyo is ito, 14 over 4, or pwede din nating sabihin na 3.5 kapag dinivide nyo kasi to. Kapag dinivide nyo tong 14 over 4, magiging 3.5. Magiging 3.5. Or kung ayaw nyo namang i-divide, i-lowest term nyo na lang, di ba? Okay, ang lowest term ng 14 over 4 ay, anong makaka-divide sa 14 and 4? Ang makaka-divide dyan ay 2. Okay, kapag dinivide natin yan, magiging x is equal to 7 over 2. Yan. Kahit alin dyan sa dalawang yan. Kahit alin sa dalawang yan is okay. Yan. Yan yung unang root natin. It's either 3.5 or 7 over 2. Pares lang naman yan. Yung dalawang yan. Okay. Next naman, isolve natin yung isa. 5 minus 9 is negative 4 over 4. Ang x natin is negative 1. Negative 1. Ang x natin is negative 1. And negative 4 divided by 4, negative 1. And negative 1. And nasolve na natin lahat ng mga problem natin. So that's all for our review. Next na lesson, discriminant. Wait nyo.